Oh, you lies. He don't weigh 210. Cap. You weigh 180. 180, 190. Let me see you.
This is like 10 again? What's going on?
180. Let me see. You weigh.
Wait,
how tall are you?
Do you not hit it?
Yes, they're turning.
What?
You've never been to Miami. He's so new to Miami. They're turning the boat.
Wait, how many yachts have you been on?
Of course I've been a lot. I've lived in South Florida for 11 years.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. I've been in South Florida for 11 years, you guys. Like.
You don't know what you're gonna be.
It's not what it seemed like, Silky.
It's not what it seemed like. Y'all niggas about to train or something? What y'all niggas on?
Hey, get in line, Silky.
Get in line.
Hey, we out. It's too hot.
Get in line? What do you mean get in line?
Oh, we ain't next, no. Get in line. Silky, you go next, Silky.
Listen. I'm gonna take the toilet paper. Take your bottoms off. Jump in the water. Hold yourself. Be in the water. That's a white people shit. That's not shit. But listen, it's better than squatting over.
You cannot look at your phone. That shit is lost.
Wait, the bathroom's not working? No,
Your shit is
nasty, disgusting. No.
You gotta get a new phone and get an iCloud
Bathroom's not
and put
working.
it on there.
We're about to fucking
Your shit is
piss
lost
on
at
piss
sea.
and
It's
shit on
over.
shit.
It's over.
Piss on piss and
This shit's gone.
Which one is the fourth? I ain't lying.
You gotta.
This is no. Take me to shore right now, bro. It's giving.
I am hurting.
Where we supposed to go to the bathroom? No. Can we go to Gold Rush? Can we get at least a bucket? How are we going next?
It's his birthday, so it's whatever he wanna do.
Yo, you wanna go to Gold Rush?
Gold Rush?
Yes.
It's giving help.
Strip club, bad bitches, big booties, yes.
Yeah.
11, Gold Rush.
17:30,
Annie's idea was 11.
It's gonna be the side of the
That's what I'm talking about. It might be that's not the type of way.
That's nuts. No.
Oh my. I think they was all having fun downstairs. Yo, wait, why was this mad niggas in there? Just her. What she was doing over there?
Yeah.